Bore da, good morning. Heddiw, rydym yn cofio rheiny a wnaeth wirfoddoli. Aberthu, gwasanaethu, am ladd, a marw dros ein ryddid ni. Rydyn yn diolch I chi, ac rydyn yn eich anrydeddu wrth I ni anrydeddu rheiny a wnaeth yr arbath eithaf dros ein ryddid ni. Fyddwn ni fyth yn anghofio. Byddwn ni'n eich cofio chi. Today, we remember those who volunteered, sacrificed, served, fought and died for our freedom. We thank you and we salute you as we salute those who made the ultimate sacrifice for our freedom. We will never forget, we will remember you. Like many people around the world, but particularly here in Wales, today marks an important date in our college calendar. The day we honour our servicemen and women who have paid the ultimate sacrifice in the fight for freedom. We're here today to honour them, our heroes, to remember their achievements, their courage and their dedication, and to say thank you for their sacrifice. The service members we honour today came from all walks of life, but they shared several fundamental qualities. They possessed courage, pride, determination, selflessness, dedication to duty and integrity, all the qualities needed to serve a cause larger than oneself. Many of them didn't ask to leave their homes to fight on distant battlefields. Many didn't even volunteer. They didn't go to war because they loved fighting. They were called to be part of something bigger than themselves. They were ordinary people who responded in extraordinary ways in extreme times. They rose to the nation's call because they wanted to protect a nation which was given them and us so much. Today we honour them and will never forget their sacrifice. They shall not grow old as we that are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun and in the morning we will remember them. Please now join me in prayer. God, give us peace and comfort. Help us to lift our eyes above the torment of this broken world and grant us thy grace to pray for those who wish us harm. As we honour the past, may we put our faith in your future, for you are the source of life and hope, now and forever. Amen. Cyfadran Celf a Dylunio, Faculty of Art and Design. Cyfadran Economi am Welwyr ar Gwyddor Anifeiliaid, Faculty of Visitor Economy and Animal Science. Cyfadran Adeiladu ac Amaethyddiaeth, Faculty of Construction and Agriculture. Cyfadran Safon Uwch a Mynediad, Faculty of A-Levels and Access. Cyfadran Iechyd, Gofal Plant, Mynediad a Sylfaen, the Faculty of Health, Childcare, Entry and Foundation. Cyfadran y Diwrnod Creadigol, Chwaraeon a Gwasanaethau Cyhoeddus, the Faculty of Creative Industries, Sport and Community Services. Cyfadran Creadigrwydd a Sgiliau, Faculty of Creativity and Skills. Cyfadran Cyfeiriadur a Thechnolegau Peirianneg, the Faculty of Computing and Engineering Technologies.
Y Pabi Coch gan Ddiwrnod. Roedd gwlith y bore ar dy foch, y ddafnau arian, flodyn coch, a hael Mehefin drwy'r prynhawn, yn bwrw'r air i'th gwpan llawn. Tithau ymlith dyfrodyr ffrydd, yn dawnsio'n hoiw ar gwrlid gwyrdd. Cynefin frod y dyloedd gan, a sidan wisg yn fflam o dan. Ond rhywun adu dostyr law, ac gipiodd wrth cynhefin draw. I estron fro a chyn y wawr, syrthiaist, ath waed yn lliwio'r llawr.
In Flanders Fields by John McCrae. In Flanders Fields the poppies blow, between the crosses, row on row, that mark our place, and in the sky, the larks still bravely singing, fly scarce, heard amid the guns below. We are the dead, short days ago, we lived, felt dawn, saw sunset glow. Loved and were loved, and now we lie in Flanders Fields. Take up our quarrel with the foe. To you from fallen hands we throw the torch, be yours, hold it high. If ye break faith with us who die, we shall not sleep, though poppies grow in Flanders Fields.
We shall keep the faith by Mewn and Michael. O you who sleep in Flanders Fields, sleep sweet to raise anew. We caught the torch ye threw, and holding high we keep the faith with all who died. We cherish too the poppy red that grows in fields with all a lead. It seems to signal to the skies that blood of hero never dies, blends of lustre to the red of the flower that blooms above the dead in Flanders Fields. And now the torch and poppy red we wear in honour of our dead, for not that ye have died for naught, we'll teach lesson that ye wrought in Flanders Fields.
I'm grateful to all those who made today possible. Ensuring that the sacrifices that people have made should never be forgotten is extremely important, and I'm grateful to all the learners, staff and technical staff who have participated in today's events. Be kind, be safe everyone. Diolch yn fawr.